Students' Book, Unit 2, Lesson 1, Exercise 3. Listen to a talk about Jonathan Swift and check your answers.
You may already know the story Gulliver's Travels, but how much do you know about its author, Jonathan Swift? Do you know where and when he was born, and what he did as well as being an important writer? In this talk you will find the answers to these questions and more from today's guest, Professor James Smith.
Thank you. Well, let's start at the beginning. Jonathan Swift was born in 1667 in Dublin, Ireland, when that country belonged to England. His father, who died before Jonathan was born, was Irish, and his mother was English. Although he spent his early years in England, he returned to Ireland to go to school and university. He found work in England as a secretary to a retired diplomat. While he was working as a secretary, Swift started to write. He later had other jobs, working as a politician and a churchman, and he finally got an important job at St. Patrick's Cathedral in Dublin. In 1726, Gulliver's Travels was published and became a great success. Different people have different explanations for this. To some it was an imaginative children's story. To others it was a clever commentary on the politics of the day. Some people today see it as the first science fiction novel. In my opinion, the book succeeds because it has these different meanings. Jonathan Swift wrote other books, but none were as successful as Gulliver's Travels. Jonathan Swift died in 1745. If you're interested in knowing more about the author of Gulliver's Travels, I have a list of web pages you can look at.